How to get best Verizon discount promo code. Now, before you go ahead and purchase your favorite product directly from Verizon, I'm going to help you out stretch down the actual price by using a specific discount code that is working. Of course, open up any reliable browser or any preferred web browser that you can use on your end. And then just simply visit the site that's going to be called couponchief.com. Now choose on the very first result that will redirect you to Coupon Chief. So Coupon Chief is actually providing or giving us out free of that specific code because it is not immediately indicated on the expiration date of that code. Now in search stores, type in Verizon, and then as you can see, there's going to be a lot of codes right here that is still working. So for you to be able to get the specifications of that code, just simply hit on more details and you will be giving out the expiration date and its specific code was being submitted. So just simply click on get promo code so that you can copy the unique code and then paste it on your cart on Verizon. That's it. It's how you find the best discount promo code in Verizon.